On this day, millions filled the streets in celebration, as church bells rang across Europe, marking the end of one of the deadliest wars in history. May 8th, known as Victory in Europe Day, changed the world forever. Some days become symbols of hope, remembered not for destruction, but for relief and peace. May 8th is one of those pivotal days that stand out in history. In 1945, Europe erupted with joy as Victory in Europe Day was celebrated following Germany's surrender. The war, which had caused immense suffering and destruction, finally came to an end. Cities were alive with excitement, crowds gathered in public squares, flags waved proudly, and people danced in the streets, filled with gratitude that the conflict was over. This marked the conclusion of one of history's darkest chapters, paving the way for a future focused on rebuilding and restoration. After the war, countries across Europe were faced with enormous challenges. Leaders of nations had the monumental task of rebuilding economies, restoring stability, and reconnecting divided nations. The world was undergoing rapid changes. This upheaval gave rise to a new era of leadership, one that prioritized cooperation and unity in the aftermath of destruction. The years that followed also accelerated technological innovation, as the urgency of rebuilding stimulated progress. Communication systems improved, transportation advanced, and technology evolved faster than ever before. Humanity began to push forward, learning from the past to ensure a better future. This surge in progress was not merely about material gains, it was about fostering a spirit of resilience and collaboration among nations. Today, May 8th is remembered in many countries as a day of reflection and peace. It serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made during wartime, the resilience shown by those who lived through it, and the vital importance of unity in overcoming adversity. The lessons learned from the events leading up to this day continue to resonate, emphasizing the need for collective strength in the face of challenges. From the initial exuberance of celebration in the streets to the arduous journey of rebuilding nations, and ultimately to the shaping of the modern world, May 8th encapsulates a powerful narrative of hope. It shows us that even after the most difficult times, hope can return, guiding humanity toward a brighter future. May 8th stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of perseverance and the unwavering belief in peace.